Hello, I'm Dave Chapman from J&J Automation in the UK. This short video clip shows you how to install the digital position system, DPS as we call it, into the J3C electric actuator to convert the function from its standard on-off or power up and power close function to become modulating. The kit is really quick and easy to install, and I'll demonstrate very briefly how it's done. I've taken all the screws out of the cover just to save time, but we remove the actuator cover. I've unplugged it already and removed the position indicator. The actuator is already in the closed position which it needs to be in to install the kit. In the kit itself we have some instructions, and we have the actual circuit board itself that creates the positioning system. And because we're going to apply a control signal to create the movement, we need a cover that has 3 DIN plugs, as opposed to the standard on-off actuator that only needs 2 DIN plugs. Supplied with the kit are the extra DIN plugs that we need, and also the components that we need to connect the plugs and to connect the positioner into the actuator. Part of that is a small bag that contains a brass column which we screw into the base of the gearbox. If you like, you can put some Loctite on the bottom of this column here, which will help to make sure that it doesn't come loose. Before you install the positioner itself, on the gears underneath you'll see a moulded line on this gear here, which coincides with 2 marked gears in the mating gear wheel. Before you install it, just make sure that those 2 are lined up. We then simply slide the positioner over the shaft. It's quite tight. We then make the electrical connection with the main circuit board here. And we secure the positioner with a securing screw. Replace the position indicator, and the positioner is now installed and ready to go. If I now connect the cover, I can actually show you the operation of the actuator. So first of all we connect the earth. We then connect the external power. We then connect the control signal. In this case we're connecting 4 to 20 milliamps. And finally we connect the end of travel confirmation plug, which we connect in here. So we've now made the electrical connections. We'll hook up our external power. Our control signal to give us our 4 to 20 milliamp input and output, and our end of travel confirmation switches. Just a quick check to make sure the voltage on the actuator matches our power supply, which it does. I can now turn on the power to the unit. You'll see that the LED light is now lit and the actuator has got power onto the digital positioning system. So if we now apply a control signal to it, the actuator will respond to that signal. And you'll see that the actuator isn't just rotating from 0 to 90 degrees as it does in the standard on-off actuator. It moves relative or proportional to the input signal. That shows how quick and easy it is to change the function of the J3C electric actuator from J&J by installing a very user-friendly plug-and-play conversion kit. For further details, please look at the website. Thank you.